English Anyone, Lesson 17. Can, could, be able to, and may.
Hello, I'm Drew. What's your name? Today, I'm cold. How are you today? Today, I was riding my bicycle. What were you doing today? Listen and watch.
Possibility, ability, can, could, and be able to. I can juggle. Can you juggle? Can she juggle? No, she can't. She's not able to juggle. Am I able to touch the ceiling? Yes, I am. Can she touch the ceiling? No, she can't touch the ceiling. Possibility, ability, past. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Could not, verb. Couldn't, verb. I was not able to, verb. You were not able to, verb. He, she, it was not able to, verb. We, they were not able to, verb. Could you do this? I could rub my stomach and pat my head. I was able to rub my stomach and pat my head. Was she able to rub her stomach and pat her head? No, she wasn't. She couldn't rub her stomach and pat her head. Possibility, ability, present. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Cannot, verb. Can't, verb. I am not able to, verb. You are not able to, verb. He, she, it is not able to, verb. We, they are not able to, verb. I can write Japanese. Am I able to write Japanese? Yes, I am. Can she write Japanese? No, she isn't able to write Japanese. She cannot write Japanese. Possibility, ability, future. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Cannot, verb. Could not, verb. Will not be able to, verb. I am not going to be able to, verb. You are not going to be able to, verb. He, she, it is not going to be able to, verb. We, they are not going to be able to, verb. Will I be able to use chopsticks? Yes, I will. I'll be able to use chopsticks. I'm going to be able to use chopsticks. Is she going to be able to use chopsticks? No, she isn't going to be able to use chopsticks. She won't be able to use chopsticks. Permission, can, could, and may. Can I borrow a pen? Thanks. Could I borrow a pen? Thank you. May I borrow a pen? Thank you. Listen and watch. Tomorrow we could go to France, but we'll be going to Osaka. We'll be able to visit Tsuruhashi, Osaka's busy Korean market. We'll be able to see exotic, tantalizing food. And we'll be able to buy delicious, fresh fish. We're also going to be able to visit Kaiyukan, Osaka's aquarium. There, we're going to be able to watch river otters. And we can see penguins. We're also going to be able to see colorful fish. We're going to be able to see enormous fish and cute tiny fish. We'll be able to examine strange, ugly fish and happy, romantic fish. We're gonna be able to watch big, dangerous sharks. And we're gonna be able to pet small, gentle sharks. Are we gonna be able to visit a quiet, calm market? No, we're not. We're gonna be able to visit a noisy, busy market. Will we be able to see sharks? Yes, we will. Yesterday, we were able to go to France, but we went to Osaka. We were able to visit Tsuruhashi, Osaka's busy Korean market. We could see exotic, tantalizing food. And we were able to buy delicious, fresh fish. We were also able to visit Kaiyukan, Osaka's aquarium. There, we could watch river otters. And we could see penguins. We could also see colorful fish. We could see enormous fish and cute tiny fish. We were able to examine strange, ugly fish and happy, romantic fish. We were able to watch big, dangerous sharks. And we could pet small, gentle sharks. Were we able to see fish? Yes, we were. Were we able to eat sharks? No, we weren't. We could pet sharks, not eat sharks.
Goodbye.
To learn more about our monthly Master English Conversation audio and video lessons, And to get fluent in English faster with our free newsletter and email video course for students, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.